One of the most difficult parts of real estate is getting good comps, finding out what price we should be offering on properties to get whatever return we are looking for. So if we want to buy a property at 50% of value, how do we know what 50% of the retail value of that area is? So it was kind of frustrating for us. So we put together a little software that I think will help revolutionize your real estate investment strategy. You'll know exactly what to offer, what the average price is in that area based on different sites like Zillow, Redfin, land.com, etc. So I'll show you how to use it. It's pretty simple, really. I think we try to make it as simple as possible for everybody to be able to just jump on, get a quick median price, a quick average price, and kind of work out whatever percentage they want to offer based on that number. So I'm going to start here in Zillow. This is a great place to find properties. And so we're going to start here to make things simple. I'm going to click on, let's search Baldwin County, Alabama. It's a pretty big county, and it's great for real estate investors. So we're going to go Baldwin County, Alabama. Now I want to search sold comps. So I'm going to click here, sold comps. We don't want to know what's for sale right now because anybody can price their home or their land, whatever they want. So right now we're going to search Baldwin County, Alabama. Let's just search vacant land properties. So I'm going to go to home type, click lots and land, and click apply. Now, what size properties do I want to search for? You can search any size properties you want. For the purposes of this, we are going to go 5 to 10 acres in size. So right now, we want to buy 5 to 10 acres in Baldwin County, Alabama. We have no idea what the prices are for these properties. We have to determine what the average price is. We have to determine what the median price is, and then work our comps out of that number. So what I'm doing here is I've already uploaded the Tax Sale Millionaire Pricer, and that is the software we're going to be using for this. So what I'll do, the Tax Sale Millionaire Pricer has to read the whole page. So what I do is I scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page so it can read everything, and all the way back up to the top. I'm going to click on Save All Properties. And what that does, and you can see here, it populates 41 properties on this page. So there's 41 properties, 5 to 10 acre properties in Baldwin County, Alabama that have already been sold. They go for an average of $78,000. Okay, so $78,000 is roughly what you'll get for a 5 to 10 acre property. Now, let's say I want to offer 50% of value. I'll just cut that number in half. That'll be my offer, right? Super simple, easy way to price. This will give you all the properties that are listed on Zillow. Now, let's say I don't want to forget this. I'm going to forget this number. So what I will do is I'll scroll to the bottom. You can see export to CSV. You will be able to download that information all into a easy to read spreadsheet. So that will populate in a spreadsheet pretty easy. Now, we've searched Zillow, which is nice, but what if we could add in other sites? We could add in Redfin, land.com, any of the other sites. Well, crazy enough, I have Redfin pulled up over here. So what we're going to do is go to Baldwin County, Alabama. And we're going to do the exact same search in Redfin to determine whether or not we can get, if $78,000 is a good number to work with. So what we're going to do here is do the exact same thing. We're going to click sold only properties. All I want to do is the sold properties. I'm fine with the last 2 years of sold properties. Price doesn't matter. Beds and bath doesn't matter. Home type does. We only want land for the specific purposes of this search. We just want land. There we go. So I am going to search just that information. It looks like they're already trying to give me a mobile home here, which is incorrect. So we'll filter out all that. Now we want 5 to 10 acre properties, right? This should get rid of anything smaller. So I want to go here, 5 to 10 acre properties. And we're going to see that. So that will get rid of anything smaller, any of the little home lots. Now, how can I add this to the Tax Sale Millionaire Pricer? I'm going to go back. I'm going to bring it back up again. You'll see that it still has my Zillow information up here. So all the properties we pulled from Zillow are still on here. What I'm going to do is, remember, it has to read the whole page. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom here and all the way back up to the top and save all properties. I'm going to click on this blue button here. It populates an additional 41. Now, with Redfin included, the entire county of Baldwin, Alabama is a little bit more expensive than we thought. So the median price is $100,000, $100,000, average price $242. I always stick with median price. Average can have some really big skewed, maybe beachfront homes or properties that we don't necessarily care much about. So I'm going to use this median price when I price my offers for 5 to 10 acre properties in Baldwin County, Alabama. Now, let's say you understand how real estate works. You've been doing this for a while. Real estate is all local. Real estate is all local. So let's maybe the properties in Baldwin County, Alabama, the north part of Baldwin is super inexpensive. And the south part by the water, it's real expensive. Okay, we all understand that. So you can scroll in. So what we will do is we'll go back over to Zillow here, and hopefully this is probably showing my entire screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way back over here to Zillow. I'm going to scroll in. I want to look at one specific place. Let's say all we care about for the purposes of this video here, all we care about are the properties over here in this area. We need to have land here. This is the area we want. We want to buy this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the boundary that Zillow has built for us, and I'm going to draw. I'm just going to draw a little circle here. Oh, it's pretty bad. I'm using one hand, so cut me some slack here. It's not beautiful. I'm going to apply that. Now, will the pricer work with just that specific information? So we'll go and we'll pull it up one more time. I'm going to use this little button right here, this little delete button. So I delete everything out that was currently in there. And now right now I'm just going to save all properties again. Boom. It pulled all 9 properties that were in this little area and gave me a median price. So if I just wanted to buy this specific area, I want to know exactly what those properties are selling for right now, I can do that with this pricer. I think this would make your real estate investing significantly easier when all you have to do is go online. You can add in multiple different sources, Zillow, Redfin, Land, and Realtor.com right now. We'll add in as many as I can get in. But currently, that's what we have it in here. So I can add those different sites on here to determine what the actual price is for real estate in the area you're looking to buy in. This helps for tax sales. This helps for buying directly from owner. Really anywhere you would need to know what the properties are currently selling for so that you can work out your offer based on whatever criteria it is that you have.